2, and the names of our group members are Anupriya Bise, roll number E03, Siddesh Bhosle E04, Tanmay Bhurke E06, Swarup Chaugale E11, and Omkar Ghati E22. My name is Anupriya Bise, and my roll number is E03, and the topic for our presentation is Internet of Things, that is IoT. So let's just begin with the presentation. So firstly, the introduction to our topic, that is what's Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronic software, sensors and network connectivity which enables this object to collect the exchange of data. That is, IoT is the way of communication through which one can extend our communication via internet. The next point is the life cycle of Internet of Things. There are four main parts: collect, communicate, analyze, and act. So let's just talk about the collection. Collection is nothing but the collection of data from surrounding, example from home, office, etc. It is like carrying information through specific carrier from specific place. And there are several IoT cloud platforms where one can store their data, such as cloud storing, cloud protection, cloud computing, cloud security, and etc. So the further presentation will be continued by my team members. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Swarup Chaugale and my roll number is E11. So we have already discussed about the primary aspects of Internet of Things, their life cycle and their collection. So now we are going to discuss about the communication through the Internet of Things. So we already know in today's life the communication means to sharing information, data, events through the network. So let's initiate a cloud platform. A cloud platform is generally used for so many factors like online teaching, online learning processes. The best example is nowadays our government discussion is going through the cloud platform. Now through the private data centers, so many colleges, universities, government organizations can communicate only with their own peoples. In home networks, a home network is enable us to discuss in a close distance. That is, we can stay connected with our family and friends. This is the image for your reference. So analysis. After sending and receiving the information, the analysis is must be important. Analysis of data means to visualize the data and think over it and to check out the most useful information to make a report. Sometimes we have to filter the data as per our requirement. After communication and analysis of data, we must have to take an action between our data and information.
Good morning, my name is Omkar Ghate and my roll number is E22. So we have already discussed about the primary aspects of Internet of Things, the introductory things like what's Internet of Things, then collection, then about the communication and analysis. Now let's talk about the characteristics of Internet of Things. These are some primary characteristics of Internet of Things like interconnectivity. With regard to Internet of Things, anything can be interconnected with global information and communication infrastructure. Second one being things related services. Now the IoT is capable of providing thing related services within the constraints of things such as privacy protection, semantic consistency between physical things. Next one is heterogeneity. The devices in IoT are heterogeneous and are based on different hardware platforms and networks. Dynamic changes. The state of devices change dynamically. For example, sleeping and waking up, connected or disconnected, as well as the context of devices connecting, the location and speed. The next point is enormous scale. The number of devices that can be managed and that can be communicated will be at least an order of magnitude larger than the devices which are actually currently present on the internet. Even more critical will be the management of the data that will be generated and the devices and the maintenance of devices which are connected. Next one is the safety. As we gain benefits from Internet of Things, we must not forget about the safety, which is really very important. As both the creators and recipients of IoT, we must design safety. We must design for safety applications, right? This includes safety of our personal data, safety of our physical well-being as well. Next is the last point, connectivity. Connectivity enables network accessibility and compatibility. Accessibility is getting on network, while compatibility provides common ability to application areas. Now let's begin to applications. Let's talk about applications. This, as you can see, this is a graph of applications and the popularity, the scores. This is monthly worldwide Google searches for applications, the first one. The second one is the monthly tweets containing the application name and IoT on Twitter. And the last one, that is LinkedIn. It is the monthly LinkedIn posts that include the application name. So the very widely popular being the smart homes. The next is variable smart city. There are other applications as well, like Internet of Smart Living, Internet of Smart Cities, Internet of Smart Agriculture. All in all, Internet of Things is becoming widely popular and very crucial sector in the technology, and it is playing a vital role in development of nations worldwide. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Siddesh Bhosle and my roll number is E04. After going through characteristics and applications, I am here to explain you the future technological development of IoT. So let's start. The development of enabling the technologies such as semiconductor electronics, communication, sensors, smartphones, embedded system, computer networks, network virtualization, and softwares will be essential to allow the physical device to operate in this changing environment and to connect all time everywhere. So this means whatever technology I have mentioned above are essential for any device to work in a smoothly manner in this changing world. For this, the IoT is architected into layers. The technology has been categorized into three groups. So let's go through these three groups. First, the first group of technology impacts the devices and microprocessor chips. It contains low power sensors for the energy and power sustainability. It means the low power sensors are being developed at low cost and more efficiency. Then the intelligence of the sensors in the field is nothing but the artificial intelligence in which the machines are more capable to work on their own. The miniaturization of the chipsets. In this, the small chips are designed so that they acquire less space and the less small devices are being manufactured. Wireless sensor network for the sensor connectivity. In this, the network is used for the sensor connectivity. The second group comprises the technology that supports network sharing and address capacity and latency issue. In this, the network sharing technology such as software defined radios and cooperative networking. In this, the wireless technology is used for data sharing and communication. For this, the networks like software defined radios and cognitive network is being used. Then the network technology that addresses the capacity and latency issues such as ITE and ITA. In this, the latency issues is being resolved such as ITE and ITEA. Now the next group, which is based on the manufacturing impacts, is being discussed by my partner. So thank you.
So my name is Tanmay. I am from E division and my roll number is E06 and I will be handling the climax part of this PowerPoint presentation. So talking about future of technological developments for IoT. In this, the third group impacts the management services that support the IoT applications. In this, there are 2 points: intelligent decision making technologies such as context aware computing service, predictive analytics, complex event processing and behavioral analytics. And the second point, it states that speed of data processing technologies such as in-memory and streaming analytics. Slide, we will be discussing about the future challenges to IoT. In this, we will be discussing 5 challenges that we can face before mass adoption of IoT. So talking about the first one, privacy and security. So as the IoT become a key element of the future internet, and the usage of Internet of Things for large scale, partially mission critical systems creates the need to address trust and security functions adequately. New challenges identified for privacy, trust and reliability are: first, providing trust and quality of information in shared information models to enable reuse across many applications. Second, providing secure exchange of data between IoT devices and consumers of their information. And lastly, providing protection mechanisms for vulnerable devices. Now, talking about cost versus usability. Now, IoT uses technology to connect physical objects to the internet. Now, for the IoT adoption to grow, the cost of components that are needed to support capabilities such as sensing, tracking, and control mechanism need to be relatively inexpensive in the coming years. So now talking about the third point, that is interoperability. Now what does this term interoperability mean? Now before understanding this, let us understand that the basic requirement of internet connectivity is that the connected system should be able to talk the same language of protocols and encodings. Different industry use different applications. So interoperability means that there should be only one standard interface for all these different heterogeneous devices. Hence, it requires high degree of interoperability. So now talking about the fourth point, that is data management. Now data management is a crucial aspect in the Internet of Things. When considering a world of objects interconnected and constantly exchanging all types of information, the volume of the generated data and the processes involved in the handling of those data becomes critical. And the last point, that is device level energy issues. Now one of the essential challenges in IoT is how to interconnect things in an interoperable way while taking into account the energy constraints, knowing that the communication is the most energy consuming process that is performed on devices. Now this particular slide shows the picture of devices which is basically security of devices which have adopted the IoT standards. Thank you.